Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how the Roman Empire became Christian. We'll start by understanding the initial challenges faced by early Christians, who often endured severe persecution. Then, we'll explore the pivotal moment of Emperor Constantine's conversion, which dramatically shifted the empire's stance towards Christianity. Finally, we'll look at the Edict of Milan, a crucial decree that established religious freedom across Roman lands, paving the way for Christianity's rise. Constantine's personal conversion was a monumental event. He reportedly saw a vision before a major battle, attributing his subsequent victory to the Christian God. Following this, he actively promoted the faith, granting significant privileges to Christians and their institutions. He also invested heavily in building grand churches and financially supported Christian clergy, integrating the religion more deeply into Roman society and governance. The full transformation occurred under Emperor Theodosius I. He officially declared Nicene Christianity the state religion of the Roman Empire, a move that fundamentally reshaped its religious landscape. This declaration led to the gradual suppression of traditional pagan practices, shifting the empire's spiritual focus entirely. Furthermore, ecumenical councils played a vital role in solidifying core Christian doctrines, establishing a unified theological framework. The Christianization of the Roman Empire left an indelible mark, profoundly influencing its legal systems, art, and overall cultural identity. This transformation wasn't just an internal shift. It also propelled the widespread dissemination of Christianity, laying the groundwork for its enduring impact on European civilization for centuries to come. For those looking to simplify their daily routines, check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals. This historical shift truly redefined an entire era.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.